Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in black clear coat. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, body color Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop, rear window wiper and washer, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 1,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.